In this video, I will show you how to reset YouTube recommended videos on mobile. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the follow button. So YouTube recommendation is based on your previews, watch history, subscriptions, and other Google activity. Here's how to reset it on your YouTube app. Tap on your library icon, then click Settings, and here click Manage All History. Now select the YouTube account. Now here is all your YouTube watch history. Here you can see the Delete option. Click on it. Then click on Delete All Time. Now all your watch history is deleted successfully. Now when you go back to your home page, the recommended is now reset. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.